Welcome everybody to Mark Bajerski YouTube channel. Welcome. It's now October, my favourite month. Ask me why. Yeah, you guessed it, it's my birthday. Well, it's not my birthday, it's my birthday month. And here in the beautiful mountaintop, it's always lovely. I love it. It's just the right weather for me. It's just perfect. July, August. Too hot. But yeah, October's always a lovely time. Anyway, I'm making this video, but right now I'll be in Bali. Pre-made it. Why? Because I said I was going to start off October with as many special offers as I can to help my clients who are going through a difficult time, and I wanted to create the offers which will help you and make you feel better and try and get the price to a really good price so you're really happy with it. So today we're doing what's called our first awakening kit. It's lovely. Awaken you to everything that is around you, awaken you to the power, the strength that lies within you, awaken your third eye, pineal gland, strengthen the alpha mode, strengthen your aura, strengthen and cleanse and clear, but most of all to help you see, feel and become the greatest healer and psychic in the world. Why not? Let's do it. So, here's the kit. I'm going to start by this. Now, this is a beautiful bag of Alpujarras sage. So, all you need to do to understand this is go back to my beautiful channel, click favorites, and the second video down, the first one is the lemons, and the second one is cleansing negative energy in your home. This is what it will do, but it also does it around your body as well. So, my suggestion is get a lovely wooden bowl, only put a little bit in, burn it with something that comes with this in a second, little bit, and then blow and make sure all the smoke goes around your body for at least 5 minutes. Now that is when you're at your worst, okay? So even if you want to create something special and spectacular, by doing this, even if you're at your best, you can still do it. It's the effect either or when you're happy or sad is incredible. It's powerful. So it's not just for the weakest moments, but obviously if you want to grow stronger, if you want to attach, if you want to if you want to feel, if you want to be connected to the spirit world, then you've got to cleanse your body. It's important. So first thing. The second thing that comes is the awakening sticks. Yes. So what's inside here? I shall read you just a few beautiful ingredients. 100% Palo Santo, 100% sage. I mean, what it means by that: 100% Palo Santo sage, frankincense, and moldavite powder in here. Now, if you take a little tiny bit of that, put it into the put your sage and then a little bit on top, it's easier to burn because these burn really well. So these, you take one stick out. This is my suggestion. Split it in two, set it on fire, and just go around your body for 3 minutes. Around your head most of all, around here, around here. You're cleansing this bit, but do around your body as well, okay? If you've done the sage first of all, then you don't need to. Just around your head. Get the smoke all around your head. Fantastic. And then put it out so they'll last for ages. The next is what's called the Detox Aura Spray. The Detox Aura Spray clears any kind of heavy stuff. Why? Because this is 100% alcohol with 100% pure sage. So some people can't sage themselves in places where there's smoke alarms or loads of people are around. Open, spray yourself down. Three sprays if you're feeling very, very heavy. 6 sprays, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then that's it. Let it fall over you. Hold your breath because it's really strong. Let it fall over you and it will cleanse your aura, strengthen you, and get you ready for the awakening. The next is this beautiful, beautiful bottle of what is 100% Palo Santo. So in here is the mixture of I have to say it right. It's alcohol and 100% Palo Santo. I have to make sure I get that right. So alcohol is always in these sprays. There's nothing else we can use. So yeah, I had a brain block then, brain freeze. So cleanse it. It says what it does. Cleansing negative energy aura spray. Again, it's exactly the same as the sage. You spray yourself down 3 or 6 times, and that's fine. You're gonna ask me which one to use when I'm doing the awakening, when I'm actually wanting to get ready and prepare myself to do whatever I'm going to do, whether it's going out, whether it's psychic work, whatever it is, healing work. For me, this is how I see it. If I'm not feeling too bad, I go for this one. It's so simple. If I'm feeling okay, not too bad, I'll go for this one. If I'm feeling a little bit heavy and something I feel a bit off and don't right, I go for this one. So you always go for the clear attachments if you're feeling heavy. That's the sage. Okay? If you just want a nice and easy cleanse and clear, the Palo Santo. So that's them two. Next, you had to have this one. Has to be in the kit. Moldavite oil. So this is absolutely beautiful. The Moldavite oil is incredible. Now there's also Palo Santo in this. So it's just so beautiful. And there isn't a piece of Moldavite in it, but it was and it is in a jar with loads of Moldavites. So it's within that. So I put tons of Moldavites in, loads and loads and loads all the time, and then the energy is mixed with it, and then I place my hands over them nearly every day and put pure energy healing into them. So this is beautiful. It's beautiful. How you use it, just go Mark Bayersky Moldavite oil and click on the search bar and it'll come up. It'll tell you every single one of these. All you need to do is click on the search bar Mark Bayersky, and then you put aura spray, Mark Bayersky Moldavite oil, Mark Bayersky awakening sticks, Mark Bayersky sage. You will receive everything that you need because I've got plenty of videos. Okay, so how do you use the Moldavite oil? Really simple. Third eye, a must. Top of the crown chakra, a must. Back of the neck, back of the ears, a little bit on the throat, a little bit on the heart. Okay, great. There you go. Then get started. A little bit in. Breathe it in as well. That's beautiful. Okay, this is an added bonus, guys. This is blend of a healer. Blend of the healer. So this is my beautiful oil, which will help you in so many ways. If you breathe it in, it will clear your mind. If you rub it in your heart, your belly button, if you put it behind your ears as well, you can use this one day and then use this the other day. So you can choose from 2 different oils and it'll just blow you away. Blend of a healer will just blow you away. And last but not least, in this kit, I want you to have a Moldavite. So we have tiny starter Moldavites. So this is a Moldavite and it's not big, but it doesn't have to be, because what you're going to be doing with this is you're going to be using it on your third eye. So you're going to be placing it here when you're lying down or just before you begin. So just leave it there for maybe between 2 and 3, 4 minutes and just let it do its work. And if you've got oil on there, it's fine, just put it straight there. That's it, just leave it there. And then hang it around your neck, so put it on one of these and then just leave it there. So everybody keeps saying it should be bigger. No, it shouldn't. It doesn't matter what size it is, honestly. This is as powerful as any other Moldavite. Okay, so it's the same energy that's given off. So that's all of those things. Now, I can't remember what the price is, but I do know, guys, whatever the price was, it might have been 150, 250, it might have been 270, 280 for all this. I'm going to reduce it down, and I'm only going to create maybe 2 or 3 or maybe 4 at most. 4 kits, that's it. This is my little gift at October, right? So there's just going to be a couple of 3 of them, that's it. So, and it's going to be at a fantastic price, okay? So I'll put one link below. Enjoy this beautiful kit, and yeah, let's see where we go with this in October. Let's keep going.